Now, India's coaching hub, Kota, has claimed yet another life. A 21-year-old medical aspirant is reported to have died by suicide in his rented room. The incident marks the 14th suspected suicide this year among coaching students in Kota. Alarmingly, the student had only moved to the city a week ago to prepare for the national eligibility entrance test. The growing number of suicides in Kota has raised concerns about students' mental health. Despite efforts by the Kota police and local authorities to address students' concerns and prevent suicides, the problem has persisted, underscoring the intense pressures faced by students in the competitive environment.
एक बच्चा है परशुराम पुत्र खचेरमल जाति जाटो उम्र 21 साल गांव मानपुरा थाना जिला मथुरा यूपी का रहने वाला है जो 2-3 साल से कोटा में रहकर एलन कोचिंग में तैयारी कर रहा था जो रात को हैंग कर लिया अपने स्वयं कमरे में जिसको लाकर पोस्टमार्टम या अपने डॉक्टर से चेक कर जो मृत घोषित कर दिया जिसके बाद में अब पोस्टमार्टम कराएंगे जैसी स्थिति होगी जांच के बाद में बता रहा है।
हमको सूचना आप बताया कि बच्चे की सीरियस तबीयत खराब है, ये था भाई हमको ये नहीं पता क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, बोले सीरियस तबीयत खराब है। वो धांधली का पूरी डकैती करी है उन लोगों ने, बच्चों के साथ में खिलवाड़ किया है उन्होंने नीट में जो किया है, जो नौजवानों के साथ में खिलवाड़ किया, जो बड़े बड़े लोगों ने बच्चों को मतलब ये बेच के मतलब ये बेचवा के पैसा दे के अपने बच्चे पास करा लिए। गरीब आदमी का कोई नहीं देखा, दो पैसा करके मजदूरी करके बच्चे को पढ़ाया एलएन पास में। पढ़ाई में एक नंबर था वो।
Over to my colleague Gajraj to get us more on this. Gajraj, the 14th suicide that's being reported just this year alone. This is despite the fact that multiple guidelines have been issued for coaching centers. But when we talk about coaching, the problem only continues to persist. This is, again, yet another horrific case, a tragic case. What exactly is being done to combat this?
The authorities have been doing, they are taking several steps to curb these kind of cases. But the most important part in this particular case is to notice that this boy particularly came just a week to Kota and he started, preparing for the same. And, happened is still a part of investigation, but it is really concerning that in only 7 to 8 days, if somebody's condition goes to that level, then, for the authorities also, it is an alarming situation that atmosphere in Kota has been, something like that. So this particular case has opened the eyes of the authorities as well, because only in 7 to 8 days, a boy goes under depression, as said, and takes this particular step. So it's still a matter of investigation and has to be looked at. Studio.
All right, Gajraj, thank you so much for joining us, getting us more details.